Hi everyone. Today we're going to be talking about a betta fish. Some people call them betta fish. This is Sunny. I have Sunny in a 5-gallon acrylic tank. And also I put this filter in there. Tetra it's called. A quiet filter. It's called Whisper filtration. It's better than the one that came with it. Keeps the tank clean. And then once a month I'll clean out the tank, or if it looks like it's starting to get dirty, I'll take half the water out. I put the water in a jug and I put some of the stress coat in it. This helps remove chlorine and heavy metals in your tap water, and also is a healing power for any type of fish. Proven to reduce fish stress. And he takes his betta food once in the morning and once in the evening. I give him 2 to 3 of these little pellets. And he also, for a little treat, he has his bloodworms. Give him a couple of these a day. And I just put some rocks down in there. The 5-gallon tank is a lot better instead of them little bowls. He's healthier in here and he has a lot more freedom. And he goes in his little house. Sometimes I see him in there sleeping. A little bit of decor. And I changed this filter. Comes with a filter. This is a size medium filter. Goes inside there. When I change the water, I always change the filter. Had him about six months now. And he's doing pretty good. Seems to like it in there, and he's pretty healthy. And that's Sunny. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them below, and I'll be glad to answer them for you about the betta fish. I want to thank you all so much for watching, and bye-bye for now.